สวัสดีเจ้าทุกคนผู้ใดก็ทักทายจากถิ่นอะไร
ว้าว
今次會同大家分享啲乜嘢呢？睇入片先。我真係估唔到真係發生咗啲咁嘅嘢。就睇落去先啦。So if you guys heard me right, actually I was talking Cantonese just now because this video right, actually I would like to pay a tribute to Lee Gok Cheong. He's a Hong Kong singer, male singer, and he did sing a lot of songs, including OST from My Date with I Have a Date with Vampire. So I heard this news a few days ago. I was really shocked because I really love all the melody, all the songs from I Have a Date with I Have a Date with Vampire, including his one. So when I saw that news, I couldn't really hold my emotion. I really cried like crazy because I couldn't believe it. And I really love the song a lot because I Have a Date with Vampire actually they produce a lot of main theme song, ending theme song, and then background music as well. So it brings me a lot of memories regarding on that particular TV series. Okay, so let me show you the songs that I love from Lee Gok Cheong.
找一把細雪放於手灼熱，但願不再怕北風心寒熾烈，緊緊擁抱你，再一次吻別，我們不要說再見，免得心更酸。而思念是並沒盡頭，沒有依附現在過去或